Hey guys, thanks for joining us for another edition of Option Jive. I'm Georgio.
Yes, I'm Marius.
How you doing, Marius?
Good. Today we're looking at some of my previous trades. So we're not doing any new trades today, but it's useful to have a look at the positions I already have. So at the bottom here we have Twitter. It's one of the trades that aren't doing that well. What we saw just after we placed this trade, we saw Microsoft buying up LinkedIn, which didn't really do anything good for our position because we placed a put. But we still have this going on until September, and we have earnings season in between, and I think that might help us out. Moving up, we have Netflix. That is doing good. We placed a put there as well, a cash secure put. We're looking at making $230 here, and this is expiring in August. Is there any way I can unchain this cash before that expiry date?
Right, so we are in a cash secured put, just like you said, which means that a portion of our cash available is being tagged for this specific position, and rightfully so. In order to manage the risk, we would need to cover, or we would need to offset this position at some point in the future, hopefully before expiration. As a general rule, you would look to book profits when you've reached 80%, or if you extracted at least 80% from the premium that you sold it for.
And now it's at 39, so we'll just let this sit for a little bit longer.
Correct.
And collect a little bit more premium.
So when you see that number, when you see that number up to 80% profit, that's when you know that you need to cover this short put and move on.
Yeah. So then we can get like around $170 and actually get out of that position and reinvest the money. So we're keeping an eye on that. The last position here is GoPro. So here I bought one option contract and I sold one option contract.
Interesting.
And the option contract I sold for a higher price than the one I bought. So here I'm actually making money if the stock moves sideways. However, if GoPro goes down to $9 for each share, I can buy it at that price, or I have to buy it. But this is a quite interesting company. I mean, they're producing new products now that are coming out. They're producing a virtual reality camera and they're producing a drone. So
you're bullish on the underlying GoPro.
Yes,
you've given it some time.
If you look here, it's not been going good with them. It's going to be hard for them to reach this peak up here unless they're getting bought up.
Yeah.
That could maybe be Facebook, but if that happens, then I have the call, and I can purchase this stock at $16, and that will be a good trade for me if they see a great surge.
I like this trade, and I like it because you in a sense, you've simulated a long stock position. That is, you've sold a put, which is a bullish. You would have a bullish assumption in the market here. You receive premium. You take on the risk to take the stock from someone at the strike price, which is what we did with Netflix. And you're using part, not entirely, but part of that premium that you're receiving, you're purchasing a call option, which again you're being bullish with. So all in all, technically speaking, you've created a synthetic stock position. That's what it is. If you had to put it together, it's an equivalent of a stock position.
So we had three outcomes here. Either it moves sideways, I collect the premium, minus the premium for the call I bought, and still make money. It drops, and I have to pick up the stock at $9, and I get a premium as well, or it surges above $16 and I have the option to purchase the stock at that price and also collect the premium as well. So this is an interesting strategy.
That's great.
Next time we'll be looking at some strategies that we can apply during earnings season. And you, Georgio, you are covering that topic as well in your webinars, aren't you?
Yeah. We had part 1 of trading options around earnings 2 weeks ago, and now tonight, Wednesday, we're doing in the second part of trading around earnings. So make sure you join us or find that webinar in the Optionslab recordings.
Yes. Until next time.
Hang loose. Have a great week.
Yes.
Thanks, Marius.
Thank you.